Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, door was decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Classic green Wreath. Take a base green Wreath, add red berries, pinecones and big red bow, and simple, traditional and beautiful. Snow White Wreath. Use a white or forest Wreath, add silver ornaments and snowflakes. It looks like winter on your door. Candy cane Wreath. Warp red and white ribbon around the Wreath like a candy cane. Add a small peppermint decoration, sweet and festive. Gingerbread Wreath. Cover the Wreath with small bells. When the door open, it's make a happy Christmas sound. Ribbon Wreath. Take a foam ring and tie different Christmas ribbon all around it. No glue needed, just tie and fluff. Easy and cute. Ornaments. Bell Wreath. Weavers. And glue Christmas bell of different color on a round base. Make shining shine and matte elements. It's become a colorful modern Wreath. Natural Wreath. Use dewdrop, pinecones, cinnamon sticks and dry orange. Add a small wooden star. Small like Christmas, look like natural. And mini gift Wreath. Use tiny warp gifts box and glue them all around the Wreath. And fun, bright and perfect for kids room. Weavers and friends. Light Wreath. Battery fairy lights around the Wreath. Turn into it